up, guys? You know, it's Coach Doug Smith coming at you. We're coming into the season 0-0, and we're about to go get this dub against the juniors who think they can beat us, but you know, we have a good game plan on defense, good game plan on offense. We're just gonna go out and win, all right? Wait, hold on. Hey, Coach. Oh yeah. All right, I'm back and gotta get to business. I'll see you later, soon.
Ooh, that whole exit.
You know what I'm saying? It's called interracial solidarity.
You can't smoke no breaking mouth with me, get in the car with me. You a funny guy, don't you joke around with me. How can it go? I said, I'm a freak, man, junkie. You a junkie. DJ Eskimo said,
Don't get X started, bro.
tell me that's not clean. Tell me it's not clean. Some more, nigga. Fella, what's your frustration?
Hey. Yeah. Hey. Hey. What? Oh, he's spitting the dog. Yeah.
Oh. Hey. Oh.
That's how you know you don't even get a phone drop. Face down. I thought that was trilling for a second. Yeah, see. Rico! Yeah, 3 down back, like David Johnson.
Who's keeping stats? Who run? Who's keeping stats? Who run? Hey. If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Hey, can you not?
Right here.
I was almost like that. It was.
Touchdown!
No, I was going to tell you she just took the whole country. Back up! Hey! This is so fun.
You're playing volleyball. Yeah, I'm playing volleyball, bro.
Can you even jump it? You should like shut up.
Holy sh**! Perfect spiral! Oh! Touchdown!
Oh, he's a rocket!
Age is just a number. Number or just numbers.
Dude, that was sick. That was sick.
No, back up.
Gabrielle. That was insane.
Jake, how you feel?
Not too good. They got some animals on their team.
Wait, what's the score?
14-7.
Hey, y'all.
Yeah, our coach is
Coming back right now. We are coming back. Let's go, Mike. Yeah, I told you, knuckler.
No! No! Where's the hand, sweetheart? She dropped it. She dropped it.
Touchdown, y'all.
They go to the other side.
Here we go. Oh!
Oh my God, I've seen that kid.
I'm make sure I'm not tripping. Ellen Marcus, that's all you see. No matter what, stay right there.
Run it!
Touchdown!
I got it.
Alex, run the reverse.
Yeah, run the reverse again. Hey, give it.
They're gonna drop it. They're gonna drop
Hey,
it.
no.
Stop coaching. You can coach your team next year.
Jamapa, you must be mad. But you're mad. You're mad.
No, just do a reverse to Gabrielle. Get it on your run! Run! Go! Go!
Touchdown!
It's 18-12. It's 18-12.
Boy, if you don't get...
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the... No. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips. Oh, I am legend, faces.
Brandon, hold the camera still.
That's a touchdown.
Touchdown!
Your goal line technology. The players aren't even
Max, how do you feel right now?
not pleased. What up, Jake? What up, Jake?
Snack ball.
Vlog it.
Vlog it.
Snack bar. It's questions.
How does it feel to get a great W?
Yeah, it feels great. Go out this way with a win. Couldn't ask for any more. We shut down Nia last year, ending a tie. We shut their asses down this year, ending a win.
Hey man, these are some cheaters. Listen, bro. Hey man, listen. They out here trucking our team. Do you see pads? Did you see pads?
We got straight beats,
They out
man.
here trucking my
Look,
team.
I set my defense up. They had great discipline. They kept leverage on the ball. We played a great game, man. Nice and physical.
And on offense, how they leverage the ball?
On offense, we have athletes. We make people miss. You feel me? We threw the ball, we ran the ball, and we won. That's what we do at class 2017.
Let me tell y'all this.
Hey, Coach Pierce.
Let me tell y'all this.
Hey, Coach Pierce.
Let me tell
You
y'all
get a
this.
post-game interview.
Hey, come here. Look.
We don't entertain this.
The coaching didn't have nothing to do with nothing. These suck. These sorry.
But what the scoreboard say about us, though? What's a knife, by the way?
It's a knife.
What did you contribute to?
Huh?
Shut up. Listen here. Listen here.
All the stop trying to linebackers.
What the linebackers
can't ride
do?
us.
Shut up.
Listen here. Dumbass
Listen here. Listen here. The linebackers guarded the receivers. Dumbass coach right here.
But guess what?
Dumbass winner.
What about the dub, though, Curtis? What about it? Let me know. Any words from the players? Any words from the players?
Good effort.